He pau Reo Māori, he pau tikanga Māori hoki me whai wāhi ki roto I ngā tono katoa ki te uepu Māori hanga whitiata ara ki Ngā Aho whakaari mo tana hōtaka hanga whitiata poto. Ko te whāinga nui ia kia whakapū mautia te reo me ngā tikanga ki roto I wara tau whitiata. Nā wai ki roto I te ahumahi hanga whitiata whānui tonu. Kaya muri wai hei, te roa ngāke.
Last one to finish.
Ko te ao pāpāho e huri ana, ko ngā kai wai hanga whitiata Māori, kei te whaihua.
We're in a really awesome time at the moment, particularly in the film industry, where we have amazing kaupapa out to the world. If we use Muru as an example, as the New Zealand Film Commission choice to represent New Zealand to the Oscars, and then come October, there will be the premiere of Te Reo Māori Frozen. After just premiering Te Reo Māori Lion King and Matariki, there are two really good examples of Māori elevating our kaupapa to the world in a way that I think is really inspiring for future filmmakers.
E toru ngā whitiata poto kei te tautokona e Ngā Aho whakaari I tēnei tau, te kaumārima mano tāra kariro ki ia whitiata. Heoi, me he reo Māori katoa te kiriata, ka nui ake te pūtea tautoko ki te rua te kau mano tāra. Hei tā riri nui, he mea nui kia riro mā te Māori ngā pūrā kau Māori e kōrero.
A question of story sovereignty has been around for a long time. And, you know, as a colonised people, we totally understand, as does Indigenous people around the world, what it's like to watch colonisers tell your story. And it's never really how you heard it from your people. So we're in an amazing time now where our people are telling our stories. And as you can tell with Muru, that's just a response and a scripted one. But there are a lot of affinities that audiences will have around that story that was based on reality. Māori have a real affinity with factual kaupapa that has influenced creativity.
A relation of mine is sick.
Oh, someone close?
Oh, really?
Nā whai anō te ture hau me whai wāhi tētahi pau reo pau tikanga ki roto I ngā tono katoa ki Ngā Aho whakaari.
In this industry, you know, it's all about the pūtea often for people to be able to come through. And so Ngā Aho whakaari will put their money where their mouth is by giving more money to kaupapa that come through with a kaitiaki reo and tikanga Māori as part of their core crew or with a fluent film. So while we're open for everyone, we do need to really reflect what's happening in our industry to try and keep us going and moving.
I miss you too.
And he misses you.
I want to be so sure about that.
Ngā Aho whakaari really is about making a shift in whakaaro and sharing with everyone the value that Māori can make in your kaupapa. Really, that's what that is. The Māori magic. We can come, but we should be picky also. We shouldn't go just because we were asked. We should go because it is an opportunity for us to grow, not for us just to be a person or a tick in someone's box.
Hei te rā horo nei tūwherahia ai te kuaha ki ngā kaitono whitiata o Ngā Aho Shorts. Muri wai hei, te Ao Mārama.